Implement these 6 rules which I'm gonna share in this video to get your first 5 clients for Facebook ads. So use a rule called IPSOC. This is the 5 rule framework which I want to give you in order to get your first 5 Facebook ads clients. Interested? I'm gonna use AI tools to make your journey much easier. But the only thing which you require to get your first 5 customers is consistency. Whatever I'm gonna share in this video, please do it for the next 7 days and to see a best results possible. So let's get started. Let's start with rule number 1, which is identify. You need not to serve everyone, even though if they are coming to you stating that, can you do Facebook ad services for us? Absolutely not. So we want somebody who is already running Facebook ads, but not getting fruitful results or expected outcome. This is the first step which you need to do. What you need to do is let's go and identify. For that, I'm gonna use a tool called Facebook Ads Library. Let's go and I'll show you on my screen right now. So let's search FB Ads Library. I guess you can see my screen, right? Perfect. So select all ads and let's search for interior design services. So why interior design services, Viru? No, you can search anything. That is, imagine you're searching for real estate, type real estate. If you're searching for e-commerce brand, search e-commerce. If you're searching for fashion, type fashion. Process is same. So I'm gonna tell you how you can get your first 5 clients using this IPSOC rule and framework. So let's search for interior design services and see how many people are already advertising, because these are your hot clients. As I've told you, I stands for identify. So, okay, we've got AB Luxury Interiors and Interior Core Studio. So there is no clickable link here. That means they are redirecting it to WhatsApp. And here, I guess they are using lead form. What we need to do is, we want to look for people who are redirecting to a landing page. You're getting my point? So let's see Sthala Designers. Quality interiors don't have a cost of a fortune. Sthala Designers offers complete 2 BHK and 3 BHK interiors starting at 2.99 lakhs. No hidden charges, transparent process. Good one. Let's click here. We'll see where it is redirecting. Oh, you've got your first client. Anyone who's a proper ad guy will redirect users to contact us page? Absolutely not. You see, that's why I've told you, getting clients is the easiest thing in freelancing. But you are watching so many videos and you are overloaded with information. So I'm breaking it down and making sure that there is an easy process to get the clients. This is the process. First, go to Ads Library. First, identify. Then go to Ads Library and see somebody who is advertising and redirecting users to a landing page instead of WhatsApp or a lead form. So this is where it is. So Sthala Designers Private Limited, they are redirecting to contact us page. How they will get leads? They are running ads. They are burning money. You're getting my point. Hot lead. And you've got phone number, you've got WhatsApp, you've got, I guess, email too, if I'm not wrong. Yes. Email as well. Chevalla, Hyderabad, Telangana. Hot clients. Right? So what exactly you need to do? So first, okay. Now come back to the topic. First thing, I stands for identify is completed. Now let's look for problem. P stands for problem. What is the problem they are facing? They are, can you see the screen? They are redirecting, okay, to the contact us page. No one will redirect to the contact us page. Let me show you some example. Interior designers in Hyderabad. Okay. So here you see nobody will redirect to the contact page. See this. You're getting my point? See this. See this. See this. Now you've got the problem, right? So let's go to the rule number 3. Once you got the problem, the rule number 3 is to provide solution. Now, Viru, I've got the problem. I've got the client. I'll call them. No. What solution do you have? Do you have any solution? Right. So you can't simply call and them say, sir, you're redirecting to the contact us page now. It is very bad. Can you please redirect to the landing page? I can help you in doing that. They'll say, okay, Amma, okay, I'll try it on my own. No, you have to go with a visible solution. They should look at the solution. God, this is what I'm exactly doing. This is the mistake which I'm doing. So you should impress the client before you contacting them. Remember, S stands for solution. You should go with a solution, right? Now let's take a full page screenshot. This is full page screenshot Chrome extension. You can also use that. Go full page. The name is. So I'm taking the full page screenshot right now. I want to save this. Perfect. Now let's go to ChatGPT and I am going to give a detailed prompt to ChatGPT. Hi. Actually, I observed a client, Sthala Designers. They are into interior designers. And randomly, I was searching on Facebook ad library and I got their profile. And I clicked on the ad and they're redirecting to the contact us page. And they are losing money on Facebook ads. I want to help them to stop it because they need to have a proper copy, proper ad image or a video, and proper landing page with a great copy, converting copy, and they can expect much conversions and quality leads comparatively what they are doing right now. Can you please provide in a bullet points a clear text format what mistakes they are doing and how they need to avoid it so that I can copy paste in the Word document? This is the prompt which I've given. Basically, I don't chat with ChatGPT. I mostly speak with ChatGPT and hit enter. Spelling Sthala is wrong. You can change it always. Here is Dear Sthala designers, I came across your Facebook ad campaign while researching in the Facebook ad library and noticed a few crucial issues that may be costing your money and the quality leads. Below is a sample breakdown what's going wrong and how you can fix the better results. What's not working in your current ads. You're getting my point? So now what we need to do is like copy this Word document and go to Word document. These mistakes costing you lakhs. Try to fix it. This is the Word document and let's keep this. Okay. And try to save this. Download the PDF. Now, the screenshot which I have taken, right? Now you're working with the solution, right? Now what we need to do is like upload the screenshot. This is the landing page what they are redirecting to right now. And I want you to help me with section wise landing page copy. Imagine you are a great conversion rate optimizer where you worked with top brands like Amazon, Netflix, Myntra, Nike, etc. Okay, so where you mastered conversion rate optimization, out of 100 visits, you are going to convert 80 and you are the world's best conversion rate optimizer. Section wise, you tell me what sections needs to be there in the landing page and the copy for the each section. Can you please draft the same? Magic, right? Hit enter. Mind blowing. Goal, hook plus clear value proposition. Headline, transform your space into master space without lifting a finger. Subheading, CTA and credibility and problem and solution and portfolio and client testimonials and limited period offer and lead capture form and footer with trust elements. So what we need to do is like copy this, add another Word document, the landing page copy. Now what we need to do is like hit down. So first we identify, and second we diagnose the problem, and third we've got the solution. Now let's go for O, which stands for outreach. You're getting my point? So I will tell you what exactly you need to do. So add photos and filters, and upload these two documents which we have recently downloaded, which is the landing page copy. These mistakes costing you lakhs. Now what exactly we need to do is, now think you are a great email copywriter where you mastered cold emailing and cold outreaching. Out of 10, you are mastering 3-4 conversions. That means 30 to 40%. Can you please draft a detailed email stating that these are the mistakes you should avoid, and this is the landing page copy. I'm sending it to you. Please take a look and implement on your own. If you want me to help, reply to this email. Okay. So first email, and also draft a WhatsApp message, and also draft a Instagram DM message. So we are asking 3 to ChatGPT right now. 1, email copy. 2, WhatsApp message, because they have clearly mentioned their WhatsApp number as well, email as well, phone as well. So we are going to outreach in 3 different ways, even social media as well. I don't know whether they have a social media. I don't think so they have a social media. And hit enter. Hot client, very hot client. If anybody watching this video, contact them immediately. So this is email copy. Okay. And WhatsApp message and Instagram DM. You're getting my point. Now let's come to the final segment, which is close. C stands for close. So how do you close? It is very simple. Identify. Don't identify too many clients every day. Just put some target. This is very, very important. Okay. Put some target. Like daily, I'll identify 5 clients like this in the India, and I will mail them and WhatsApp them and DM them. This is your duty every day, 1 to 2 hours. Nothing else is needed. Okay. And see, 7 days, you're going to reach 35 people. Don't you think 1-2 clients will be coming to you? And what if in the month, you're reaching out 150 potential clients? Can't you expect 5 to 10 conversions out of it? I hope you're liking this video, right? Please like this and comment yes in the comment section if you want me to make more similar kind of videos on how you can get freelance clients. This will really encourage me and help me to create more such videos like this. And last important point, if you are looking for a predictable and consistent income as a freelancer, if you are expecting every month you need to get high paying freelancing clients, then I have given a detailed link in the description. Click on it and book a free 1-to-1 call with my team and with me also, so that I can help you out, or my team can help you out to build a predictable and consistent income system as a freelancer. If you're a freelancer, then book a call. See you with the next video.